if you would like to replace the strap on your Fossil watch, look at the back and you may see they have a quick release thing. So you just press on that and it goes away. Same thing on the other side. Now, if you would like to get new one from your watch, you can see my link in the description. I've got plenty of options for you on Amazon. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!